October the 28th, 2021. Guys, we've had some updates from this X-flare that we saw this morning. And you're looking at the CME tracker. The Earth is in the yellow dot. The sun is the the white dot in the very center. You've got a couple things around Earth. In the green, we have Venus. And Venus is on the side of the sun where a lot of the activity started a few days ago. We've seen it before. The Earth and the Venus, Mercury, Mars, we're all interconnected with the sun. And it's an electric universe. Anyway, tomorrow, the 30th, impact at 1800 hours UT. That's 12 noon on the East Coast. So that tells us that the U.S. will be sun-facing during the impact time of the CME. Check that out. Very large one, and it's scary when we look at it on the satellite. These images finally started coming in. These are Earth-facing images from SOHO LASCO 2. The sun is shielded by that circle in the middle so you can see around it. Notice how fast that blast was. I'm going to slow it down. And there's about 2 hours and 10 minutes of these frames that are normally maybe just a few minutes apart. But that could be due to shut down on the satellite because of the exposure of that much radiation coming from the X-flare. And the sensors can shut it down. But check this out. 1448 right there. And then we're going to skip to 1700 there. And look at this. One of the largest I've seen, that especially ones that are full halo. In other words, when you're looking at a CME like this from the sun, it is coming directly at you. It's going to completely encompass the Earth. The Earth will be a very small dot in this particular cloud. Very interesting. Some of the things that you're seeing in here besides energized particles is massive clouds of plasma. Notice at about 7 o'clock on this thing, bottom left, there's a band of light that you see, and there's about 4 or 5 clusters, and those were even picked up on the Stereo A satellite. But guys, just a quick update. Again, the anticipated time, according to the charts, is 12 noon this coming Saturday. Okay? So be prepared for that. Remember, though, it's moving very fast, and sometimes the thing comes in faster or slower, sometimes up to 7 hours difference either way. But the last one that they timed hit exactly when they said it would. But again, this one's coming very fast, a lot of debris. One of the largest CMEs that I've seen that were full halo. We've seen some very powerful plasma burst. But remember, there was a CME just before the one that's being tracked. So there's actually one going to be here before that one. The models used to be a little quicker about doing that. Sometimes you could see 2 or 3 CMEs on them. But just that one model is up now. Just want to point that out. But these are amazing images, guys. If you haven't read Malachi 3, maybe you should read that. That's a good. Malachi is only 4 short chapters anyway. But check the book of Malachi out. It's the last book in the Old Testament before the New Testament starts. Kind of the ending of the Old Testament. We're watching it. You watch it. It's a heads up. Be safe.